Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today in Dr. Phillips. We're going to show you this beautiful home behind me. It's actually a model home, and what I wanted to show really quick is what happens with a model home when they transfer it from an office to an actual home. So typically, this three-car garage here would actually have glass doors and have the actual sales reps in there selling the home. So what happens is after they finish the community, they transfer it back into a garage, and then they also put a driveway in here as well, where before it was just grass and landscaping. So let's go ahead and look into this home. I'll tell you a little bit about the home as we go ahead and walk in. So this is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2 half-bath home, and it's 3,644 square feet. Now this home was listed for over $1 million. It is a model home, so it has a ton of upgrades. Right now they're asking $929,000 for it. If you are interested in it, make sure you give me a call. Again, my name is Mike. My phone number is 407-487-3030. So let's go ahead and go over here. And we're gonna go through this pathway here. As you can see, this luxurious pathway, but of course they'll be changing this with pavers soon. And as we go in here, we'll go ahead and look at the front patio area. We have some nice landscaping, as you can see, some hibiscus trees here ready to go that are sort of mature already. And then we have a nice little front patio area here. And then we go inside to this model home, and of course you're gonna see all the upgrades. Typically we show model homes and have a base price, and then there's a bunch of stuff that we have to add to it. Well, this one here is ready to go. What you see is what you get. The only thing you don't get is the furniture. So we come in here, the first thing we have is we have a nice office over here, and everything that's sort of built in is included. So this it looks like wood backing here is actually part of the home. But all the furniture actually will be removed unless you really like the furniture. If you like this furniture, if it's your style and you want this furniture, let me know. I will talk to the builder to see if we can get this furniture included or added to the actual sale of the home. So let's go ahead and go this way here. We'll see the rest of the home. Right this way here is the first half bath. There are 2 half baths. This is the first half bath right here. And then we come to our main dining room area. As you can see, it's plenty of space. Big dining area here. And then we'll go ahead and go outside and check out the pool area. So, and I didn't mention at the beginning, this has a pool and it also has a lake view. We've been watching some ducks out there. You probably can't see it with the lens we have on the camera, but there are ducks out there. I've seen 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 of them out there right now enjoying the lake. And of course we have this beautiful pool with some really nice tile work and also water features. So it's a really nice area. The other half bath I was talking about, that's gonna be right over here. So let me go ahead and show you that half bath. It's just right in through this door here. Now they'll get everything here resolved as far as there's a couple little things they need to clean up. They'll get all that cleaned up before the new homeowners move in. So that is the half bath. And then we're gonna go check out the rest of the first floor, the kitchen area. That's the best area of the home, at least I think is one of the best areas of the home. So come on in and we'll go this direction here. And as you can see right here in this area, we have another little sitting area here. It's nice, you have a nice little view of the pool and the lake. So it's a nice little area to hang out. And then we open up to a really spacious family room. We'll show you that as we come around the kitchen. So let's go ahead and go into the kitchen here. Now, this is the kitchen that you get. You get all the appliances included. You have this really nice refrigerator. You have this microwave oven combo. You also have soft close drawers. So you open it up and then you can jam it closed and then it goes softly closed. Isn't that really cool? So we have, this is a gas community. A lot of people do like the gas for more consistent cooking, at least that's what they say. So this does have gas, it has a nice backsplash, and it has the industrial vent, which is vented outside. So that's always good. And even these cabinets are also soft close. So we come back over here and you can see here, we also have lots of upgrades here as well with the wood backing on the wall. And then we open up to the amazing, very spacious family room, and way over here to way over here. Lots of space here for gathering. If you have a party, you can do this. You can open up the sliders. There's 1, 2, 3. That's a triple slider over there as well. 3 sliders, so you can really open it up and enjoy the beautiful views, especially on sunny days, and also the pool area. So then back over here, what they've done, I usually call the under the stairs room the Harry Potter room, but they've actually opened up the area under the stairs here in this room, and they've made it into an actual office, and it looks like they were actually working here. Lots of cords going around, stuff not very neat as far as I'm concerned, whoever was working here, but you know, they were doing the best they could with what they have. And then we over here, we have the drop zone area. So this is a built-in drop zone. And then of course, this door here goes into the 3-car garage that they are working hard to get resolved. Obviously, they got to put a ceiling back in there, and they got to put the garage door openers in there. So still some work to do there, but they'll have all that done probably within the next 30 days. Also, we have some really nice hardwood flooring throughout. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and see the upstairs. All the bedrooms upstairs, the primary bedroom and 3 other bedrooms. Now, as you're watching this, if you're watching this on YouTube, do me a big favor and hit the thumbs up button for me. And also subscribe and hit the alerts to see other beautiful homes like this. So we go up here, and some of the things that I want you to notice is like this, the stairs are really nice. They even have the ceramic backing on the stairs. And then over here, this is actually a real, you know, it's got the real stone finish wall. This is not wallpaper, this is really stone. So we come up, we have the nice hand railings with the iron spigots here. And then we're gonna go this direction here, show you some of the bedrooms. So we come over here and we go to this bedroom first. This is the baseball bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. Tons of baseball stuff. You got a picture over here. You got photos of baseball stuff over there. Nice size bedroom. This looks like a definitely a full-size bed here. So a full-size bed with some space on either side of the bed. So nice spacious bedroom. And then we have a Jack and Jill bathroom. So follow me into the bathroom here. So we have our dual sinks here. And we have a shower here. The shower's got some nice inlays and also tile work here. So that's nice. And then we come back here and we go into bedroom number 3. This is big bedroom number 3. This one's a little bit decored for, looks like swimsuits. So if someone likes swimsuits and pictures of swimsuits, just swimsuits, no one in swimsuits, just swimsuits, this will be a great bedroom and great decor for them. So let's go ahead, and I want to show you the laundry. I'm never getting excited about laundry rooms, but this laundry room, you can get excited about this laundry room. Because not only do you have all of this space in this laundry room, and you have this washer and dryer, or dryer and washer, washer dryer. You also have a nice view of the lake as you're doing laundry. You have the folding table here. You also have this storage area here, which would be great for all your seasonal stuff. Lots of space there. That's as big as my bedroom when I was growing up. Well, maybe mine was a little bit bigger than that. So, and then you even have a sink here with working water. And then we come back over here. Oh, and then back here, this is all the stuff for the internet and all the, that's like the connection center for the house. So you're able to open that up and add all your connections and things like that. So it's really cool. They got the power boxes, the Ethernet lines, the cable lines down there. So pretty cool stuff there. And then we come back this way here. This is just a storage area here for towels. And then we come this direction and we'll show you the 4th bedroom, which is down here. Now, this is the other full bathroom. I'll let the camera go in there and show you the sink and the shower area. And then bedroom number 4 is over here. And as you can see, this is a nice size bedroom. You know, you have a little sitting area. This is definitely a king size bed. That looks like a king size bed in a spare bedroom with plenty of space on the other side. So lots of space here. This will be the bedroom. This will be the bedroom that everyone's fighting over, or maybe the guest room. So let's go ahead and go over and show you the primary bedroom, which will be this direction right here. And we go over here and show you this. Now, this is a nice size bedroom. Obviously a king size bed here. Plenty of space on either side. You have the amazing, amazing, amazing water view. And not only do you have the water view, if you look down, you'll actually see a nice pool view as well. So definitely a nice little area here to look out and enjoy the weather. I see ducks from here too. So definitely pretty cool. Now, for those of you, there's some people that like closets in the bath, like you go through the bathroom and then you get a closet. And there's some people that want the closet separate. Well, this one gives you both options. So you have this room right here, which is a closet, and it's a nice size closet. You would think that this is big enough for both. But surprise, surprise, we come into the bathroom, which Actually has a closing door, like that, right? So we come over here and we have another closet right here. So check that out. So you have two closets. There's the water closets right behind this door here. That's just the toilet. And then we have this area here. We have a nice walk-in shower. Literally walk-in shower. We got, you know, a rainfall head. We got another head here. We got the little massaging head here. So it's got a lot of things. It's got a whole bunch of levers here. So for each of the ones. And then we also have the dual sinks across there. Also has a nice lake view as well. And then if I go back into the primary bedroom, I want to show you some of the stuff too. In this whole home, it has a lot of woodworking. So for example, this here has a lot of woodworking. We also, if we look up above, we have a tray ceiling with crown molding, and we also even have speakers. We have built-in speakers throughout. That's some of the things that you get with a model home. So if you are looking for a model home in Dr. Phillips, so this is a model home. This is in Dr. Phillips, right? This has a pool, this has a lake view. If you're looking for all those things, and it's very rare to find a model home, and especially a new home, and especially in Dr. Phillips, this is something that you do want to check out. This one is offered at $925,000. Originally, it was over $1 million. They just dropped the price quite significantly. So if you're interested in this, make sure you give me a call. Again, my name is Mike. My phone number is 407-487-3030. Also, if you're interested in other homes in Dr. Phillips, make sure you click right here, or other $1 million homes, click right here and see other videos on our YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow our channels. Thanks for watching.